Friends, check out 3 BHK wardrobes designing idea in 1 lakh rupees 30,000 only, made by our designers in Kolkata. Customer requirements. WhatsApp Kolkata Interior Designers for your home. Best wardrobe designing manufacturing services at an affordable budget in Kolkata area. Kolkata Interior Designers offer the best wardrobe designing into BHK, 3 BHK, 4 BHK homes as per customers' requirement and budget. If you want to get perfect modern and luxury wardrobe designing complete manufacturing service in Kolkata as per your choice and budget, then WhatsApp your bedroom wall photo Kolkata Interior Designers. Kolkata Interior Designer offers to create best wardrobe designing in Kolkata as per your requirement, budget and wall photo, wall size. Discuss your wardrobe design with Kolkata Interior Designers to create the most beautiful and long-lasting wardrobe manufacturing services. Send your wardrobe requirement to Kolkata Interior Designers. Kolkata Interior Designers will give you the opportunity to create and design wall furniture for your home at low cost as per your choice. If you want to know the wardrobe furniture design ideas and cost for your home, then definitely WhatsApp Kolkata Interior Designers. Friends, we will provide wardrobe designing and manufacturing service in Kolkata Howrah and West Bengal region. Friends, our wardrobe designing and manufacturing is made in our factory and installed at your home as per drawing, and our manufacturing team and designing team also provide your home as per your wardrobe requirements service. Any problem related to wardrobe design and manufacturing service, you will get one-stop solution from our designers to create the best wardrobe in Kolkata. Definitely WhatsApp Kolkata Interior Designers once and discuss your wardrobe design and budget.